with UNA's Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about how to find where exactly the exception is happening. Let's say you're working on a project with many people and somebody else made a mistake, uh, no make taking care of uh, putting his code under a try and catch block so that you can catch an exception. So an error is happening somewhere in the code you don't know. So let's say we have this code, and whenever we run it, it's giving us some exception here. So we don't know. Let's say we don't know where exactly what the problem is. What we can do is normally what we do, we use something we call a debugger. It shows us, it helps us to find where the problem is. So to debug, uh, we can have like some idea. Since we have 20 here, like we know, like we have 10 times 2, and we're putting 20, and something is not happening after doing this line of code. So from here to here, something is wrong. So what we normally do, we put breakpoints. To put a breakpoint, you need just to do this, uh, right click, and then toggle breakpoints. And you're gonna see that dots over there. It's what we call breakpoints. So you're gonna put breakpoints whenever you think you think like there is there could be an issue, like any line, near any line you think there's gonna be an issue. Like right now we can do this one, or it's taking out, and then line 13, and then line 14, and line, we're gonna put some more breakpoint, and until the last line. So we, after putting the breakpoint, because the breakpoint help us to stop the program uh, at some point of the execution. So we have to go to the debugger. This is the central debugger. It's kind of a bug here. You click that, and the debugger is gonna start. So what's happening here, you have here is telling you where the debugger is stopped, like in line 10. That's why line 10 here is highlighted. So to go to the next line, you can see we have all of these options. So this one here is saying step over. This one is stepping to, it means go in inside something. So we don't need to use go inside. We're gonna do step over to check where the error is happening. So I wanna click one time, so it quit from here to, it goes to the next line, and then again. Now we're in line 13. It didn't break in line 9 and line 13. Let's check. Let's step over from line 13. Let's step over. Bam. So in line 13, after stepping over, it's giving us this error. Eventually, the error is inside line 13. You can see even here, when an exception happens, it shows the message, and then it tells also where is happening. This will tell you the class and which line the exception is happening. So line 13. So the debugger helps us to see exactly where to go uh, step by step, and then to look for where the error is happening. That's all for today. Thanks and have a blessed day. Bye.